Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ashwagandha powder from plant. First, you need to harvest the roots. Look for ashwagandha plants that are 6 to 8 months old, as they are typically mature enough for harvesting. Gently dig up the entire plant, being careful not to damage the valuable root system. Once harvested, thoroughly clean the roots to remove any soil or debris clinging to them. This initial cleaning is crucial for a quality final product. After harvesting, give your ashwagandha roots a good wash under running water until they are completely clean. For larger roots, it's a good idea to cut them into smaller, uniform pieces, about 2 to 4 inches in length, to help them dry more evenly and efficiently. Next, spread the cleaned root pieces in a single layer in a well-ventilated area. Avoid direct sunlight, as this can degrade some of the beneficial compounds. Air drying can take several days to a week, ensuring all moisture is removed. Once your ashwagandha roots are thoroughly dry and brittle, they are ready for grinding. This is a critical step. Any remaining moisture can lead to clumping or spoilage. Use a high-powered grinder, like a coffee or spice grinder, to process the dried roots into a very fine, smooth powder. The finer the powder, the better it will mix and absorb. Finally, transfer your freshly made ashwagandha powder into an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place to maintain its potency and freshness. Ashwagandha powder is quite versatile and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. You can mix it into warm milk, water, smoothies, or even sprinkle it into your food. A common daily dosage for general well-being ranges from 300 to 500 milligrams, but it's always wise to start with a smaller amount and adjust as needed. Remember, consistency is key to experiencing its full benefits. And hey, for more great insights, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.